A very good morning to all of you. I am Kara Srivastav of UKDC, feeling very proud to present myself in front of you. Dear parents and my lovely friends, today we are presenting pre-primary assembly and the theme of our assembly is Love for Animals. Yes, I love animals very much and actually we should. Friends, if we love animals, they respond back with all their love and affection, whether they are birds or animals. So here we have nursery children showing their love and care for the animals. Hi, I am a cat. I drink milk. I eat fish. I do meow meow. Meow meow. भागो में रहता हूँ, गोली खाता हूँ, सबको प्यारा दिखता हूँ, मैं खरगोश हूँ। I am a dog. I have eaten biscuit. Book, 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 book. Adu! I'm cow. I'm cow. We're going to the forest, going to the forest, going to the forest. Don't you want to join us, want to join us? Don't you want to join us? Look out in the forest, from near to the farthest. Look out in the forest, from near to the farthest. What do you wish to see? We wish to see the lion, big and mighty lion. Could we stop right here? Let's see what is there. Wow! It's a lion! It's a lion! It's a mighty, mighty lion! It's a lion! It's a lion! It's a mighty, mighty lion! We wish to see the tiger, big and fearful tiger. Could we stop right here? Let's see what is there. It's a tiger! It's a tiger! Big and powerful tiger! It's a tiger! It's a tiger! Big and powerful tiger! We wish to see the elephant, the big tusked elephant. Could we stop right here? Let's see what is there. It's an elephant, it's an elephant, it's a big tusked elephant. It's an elephant, it's an elephant, it's a big tusked elephant. Wish to see the gorilla, big and black gorilla. Could we stop right here? Let's see what is there. A gorilla, a chest-thumping big gorilla. A gorilla, a chest-thumping big gorilla. You want to see the giraffe, the long-necked giraffe. Could we stop right here? Let's see what is there. It's a giraffe, it's a giraffe, tall and long-legged giraffe. It's a giraffe, it's a giraffe, tall and long-legged giraffe. Hi Fairy, do you know what are the animals? No living creature other than a human being can be referred to as an animal. Hey Raj, would you like to say the commercial farms. We have domesticated some of them, while others remain wild and sometimes endangered by our activities. Hey friends, Rutwik and Ruvika will tell how to take care of animals. We should take them to a veterinary doctor whenever they fall sick, petting them and showing them how much we love them, taking care of their food and water tank, playing with them and keeping them fit, feeding them with food which is healthy for them. My dear friends, can you explain the needs of animals? Animals need food, water, shelter and space to survive. Herbivores can lie only where food plant is available. Carnivores can lie only where they can catch their food. Hey Diana and Shivanshi, can you tell us how to take care of wild animals? Volunteer with organization in your area to restore native forest, grassland and coastal ecosystem by planting native species. Preserve the environment in which the animals live.